Hello, this is Amanda from Where I Stamp, and I'm sharing with you new product from the new mini catalog that starts in July and Sale-A-Bration that starts in July. And if you would like to request a catalog, you live in Canada and you do not have a demonstrator, make sure to go to catalog.fromwhereistamp.ca to request a catalog. And I will send you one. I'll contact you and we'll work that out. So I can't show you the inside of the catalogs yet. I think it's, let me double check. It's July 1st. So I will share more of the catalogs in the first part of July, but I wanted to show you the fronts. All right, so inside this big box of goodness, it has been sitting on my table for 3 whole days, and I really haven't looked at any of it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing. I opened it a little bit when my mom was here, but I didn't really open up like the designer paper and everything. So these 2 items are not pre-order items. So the Light the Candles card kit and the Million Thanks kit, those 2 I purchased because June is buy one kit, get one free. Or get one 50% off. Sorry, not free. 50% off. So buy one kit, get one 50% off, which is pretty awesome. So I didn't have either one of these kits. And make sure to check back on Saturday because I'll put one of those together and share that with you. All right, so now mini catalog and Sale-A-Bration. What should we start with? Okay, embossing folder. This is the Whimsical Woodland 3D embossing folder. So I was showing this to my mom, and it is just awesome. I'm looking forward to using this one quite a bit. All right, and we have these fine sparkle adhesive back gems. So those are fun. And this is not in the mini catalog, it's in the annual catalog, masking paper, but I forgot to add it to my last order. So we're going to try masking paper out soon. All right, so Sale-A-Bration. These are the Hippos stamp set, and they are just adorable. And they have coordinating dies. So they are a Sale-A-Bration item, which means that for $60, you can choose, so $60 order, you would choose one or the other of these for free. And then, so if you spend a $120 order, you could receive both of these for free. And look at the cute little flowers and the sunglasses. You see the sunglasses? And the hat, and I think this is a boat and a tub, and maybe those are goggles, maybe? I'm not sure, but that should be really, really cute. All right, another Sale-A-Bration stamp set. This one's a $120 order minimum to earn this for free. Amazing phrases. So I like the different fonts. That's one of the things I really love about different font stamp sets, is that you can mix and match. So it's a photopolymer stamp set. So you can earn this for free. All right, so I think that's all for Sale-A-Bration, other than this big pile right here. So if you join during Sale-A-Bration, the join special is this planner. So it comes with this stamp set called Making Plans, and it has a great thank you, and so things you can use on the planner sheets. And then 3 notebooks. It comes with the inserts for your planner. And then the planner itself, which is really, really pretty. And I'll do a better video of the planner so you can see it all. I'll take it all apart and show it better. So, oh, Sale-A-Bration. There's another Sale-A-Bration. This one is, I believe it's a $120 order minimum to earn this one for free. So this is a tree lot dies. There is a stamp set that coordinates with it, but I really like the trees. But this camper is kind of cute, and I think that's like a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. Oh, little twigs. So I think this would be a really cute set to get for free. This guy here, the Yeti to Party. I feel like I'm saying that wrong, but this guy is cute, but I also love, these would be great on tags. And there's some tags dies that I really meant to use last Christmas and then just never used them. So I'm looking forward to using some of these maybe on some tags. And the rest of this stuff is all a suite. Now, I forgot to look. Usually it's the designer paper. It's the Santa Express. So we'll just call it the Santa Express suite for now. I'm just going to grab my X-Acto knife. Make sure if you're using an X-Acto knife, use it on the white part because that is not designer paper. All righty. So we have some bright red. I think this is Poppy Parade. And I'm not sure what colors. We'll go look at the colors. Ooh, I like that. The colors are on that white piece. Some presents. Ho, ho, ho. There's a train. Mrs. Claus and Santa Claus. Oops. Fa la 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 la. Some green stripe and another part of the train. So that is pretty cool. Oh, excuse me, I forgot to turn off my notifications. There we go. All right, so cool. Oh, and Santa's different colors. That's really neat. Awesome. All right. Now, the stamp set coordinates with it. Santa's delivery. I love the penguin. I think of my nephew when I see penguins, my nephew and my niece, my brother and sister, and they love penguins. And then the dies. So, my understanding is that, oh, these dies really stick. There we go. Is that this die will die cut the, I was going to say caboose, but that's the wrong end, the engine. And I believe this one here for the car, it will die cut that out of one of the other sheets. So it's very versatile of what you can use the Santa's train dies and the Santa's delivery stamp set together. So this is all part of the suite. So the designer paper, the stamp set, the dies. Then we have this mini embossing folders, 2-pack. So here, like a little town and some mountains. The mountains would be really cute with the Yeti. And so there's the town. And here's the mountains. Pretty awesome. And we have some adhesive back stars. So they're nice and shimmery. And there is this, probably shouldn't be using an X-Acto knife. Let's see if I can take this off. Maybe. There we go. So this is, where's the end? There it is. Look at that sparkly, I was going to say fraying, but it's not fraying. It's like, what is it called? Iridescent trim. So it has like these little spikes off of it. There we go. The camera's picked it up. And it's almost like it's braided. Really cool. So then we have the Santa Express Memories and More cards and envelopes. If I can open it. So I believe that was 20. There's 20 cards and envelopes, 20 cards, 20 envelopes. So we have red and green and polka dot. And then the inside of the envelopes have a design on the flap, which is pretty awesome. And they're designed to work with the Memories and More Santa Express pack. This I'm excited about. From the samples in the catalog, this looks really cute. Oh, I'm gonna grab my scissors. Come on. There we go. That's better. All right, so let's look at these. So we got some Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. Really cool Santa Claus. C is for Christmas cookies, cheer, and carols. Joy. Merry Christmas. And Santa Claus on a train. And the other side, most wonderful time of the year. Some journaling boxes, layering boxes. So this would be good for not only making cards, but your scrapbooking for Christmas. Then we have these bigger cards. Ooh, and some other things back here. Let's see. So, there we go. Okay, Happy Christmas with some green dots. Ooh, I love those trees. So let me know what item you've seen so far you're most excited about. I want these candy canes more. And also note that if you'd like to request a catalog, if you live in Canada and you don't have a demonstrator, then you can request a catalog. So the numbers of the month, which is awesome for scrapbooking or doing a countdown if you wanted to do like a countdown to Christmas. So you could do up to 25 or even down to New Year's. And then some other stickers. Kind of wish we could buy these stickers separately. And then Santa Claus and some trimming. We have some acetate printed, some Merry and Bright. What's this one say? Most wonderful time of the year. This one's Ho Ho Ho, and this one is Snowflakes. And this here, they must, yeah, so they're die-cut words, but they're really thick. So that's pretty cool. All right, so this is a suite of products. And like I said, if you would like to request a catalog, the link is below in the description of the video. And then I'll come back on July 1st or thereabouts and add in the link to all of these products in the description. So if there's something that you've seen, like the Santa's Delivery Suite, or maybe the Yeti stamp set, or my mom now has the Whimsical Woodland 3D folder on her wish list. So I can see that being very popular, or the beautiful, gorgeous designer paper, or to get some items for free. That's what you could do starting in July. So I hope that you've enjoyed looking at what I was able to pre-order. And just to let you know, demonstrators are able to pre-order early before customers. So we get to see the catalog early. I got to see that in May. And then we got to order products from these catalogs. So if you'd like to know more about becoming a demonstrator, please send me a message, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.